Welcome back. So now we have set up our environment successfully. We are ready to build AI agents. So what we are going to do now is we are going to build a social media post generator. So what we will do is we will decide what type of post we want to generate, meaning for which platform: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any other platforms. We'll define the platform rules for each. For example, Twitter supports 140 characters, Facebook supports more, LinkedIn supports more, and we are going to generate 100 unique social media posts for each platform, and we will save it to a database so we can use it further. And the objective of this lesson is going to be to actually create an automated social media post generator which will create social media posts and actually post them as per a predefined schedule on your social media platforms. So are you ready and excited to get right into it? So let's go for it. Welcome back. So are you excited to build your very own AI agent? Me too. I'm excited to help you get started. So here is our N8N login. So when you logged in first time, it's going to bring you on the blank canvas, which is here. So first we will set up our table in Directus. So here is our Directus login. So here you log in. So Directus, I haven't told you much about this. So this is a very beautiful piece of software which organizes your data into a database. So normally what people do is they would use Microsoft Excel or text files, store it on OneDrive or Google Drive and use that. But this does all of the heavy lifting without you worrying about the database. So it's easy to back up and it's easy to manipulate the data. You can call it anytime. You can read the data anytime. It's just amazing. So once we create, I know it can sound a bit overwhelming. So once we do it, then I think it will start to put the pieces together. And I'm a big fan of actually getting it done. So let's go ahead and create our first collection. So on the Directus login page, you will come here, you will create collection, and I am going to create my very own first collection called social media posts. So we are going to create a table basically, or a section in Directus called social media posts. So we can just put the optional field as date created. We don't need anything much, and click the tick icon, the famous tick icon. And then we will add more fields. So first we will write X posts. So these are the posts we're going to use for X. We are going to select the string type as text and the interface, and we're going to select text area over here. And that's basically it. Just click save. Here you have it. So here you see the text area is written over here, and we create a couple of more fields for LinkedIn post. Same thing, text area. Everything else remains the same. Same thing for Facebook as well. So we are going to do a flow to put the things in a perspective, and we will create a date time field for posted on, because once we post it, we do not want it to repost the same duplicate post again. So we will click on continue to advanced mode over here, and field, sorry, type is going to be date and time, and click the tick icon. We will take this right on the top. We can just drag and drop it. We don't need to worry about the IDs too much right now. It's all good. Posted date and time, text area. It saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, let's add some data. So you click on the content and you'll see a social media post table is ready. Create the item. You can just write this is a test X post. This is a test LinkedIn post. And this is a test Facebook post. And I will just select any date and time just for argument's sake. Yep. Okay, wonderful. Okay, now along this, we need to do one more very important thing. We need to connect N8N to be able to access data in Directus. So we will go to settings. We will go to, sorry, we'll go to users over here. We click on the admin user and we will scroll right at the bottom and look for something called token. So what we will do is we had an existing token, so we'll just delete that. We will add a new token, copy this, make sure you do not forget this because there's no way you can get it. And I have saved it and copied on my clipboard. Now I will go to my N8N setup. I will click create a workflow from scratch. Okay, so I have named this. I have already saved this. So I will go and add an HTTP node. So whatever you add from here is your nodes in N8N. As we move along, we will keep discussing about this. And first, I will add my generic credential type because I have it copied on my clipboard. I have a bearer authentication. Select bearer and create a new credential type. I already have my authentication on the clipboard, so I have just copied and pasted, and I will write over here Directus server and hit the save button, and there we go. Now we will select the method as get. We will go back and click on the content. We will click over here and we will copy this URL and put it over here and write /items / and copy our collection name. So this is our collection name. We will copy it and put it here. That's great. And we have already selected our credential type, and now we will run execute setup. Okay. And there you go. So you have the data which is on your Directus collection right into N8N. So you have successfully connected N8N to Directus. So well done. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will say this is a test2. We will say this is a test2 and save and come here and execute again. And there you go. So you see the change data. So you know. So now we are sure our credentials are working successfully and we are good to go to the next step.